In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an add to calendar link in Gmail so you can share event details quickly and make it easy for people to save your event in just one click. This is a simple but powerful workflow for meetings, webinars, reminders, appointments, and any message where you want your audience to add the event to their calendar without confusion. If this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar. This is where you'll create or choose the event that you want to share. If the event already exists, just click on it to open the details. If you need to make a new one, create the event first with the correct title, date, time, and any other important information. Once the event is ready, click the pencil icon to edit it. This takes you into the full event editor, where you can confirm everything is correct before generating the link. From there, look for the More Actions dropdown. Click that menu to reveal additional options for the event. In that list, choose Publish Event. This is the step that makes the calendar event shareable through a direct link. After you publish the event, click Copy Link. That copies the Add to Calendar link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere you want. Now that the link is copied, open Gmail and create a new email. This is where you'll send the calendar invite link to your audience, client, team member, or anyone else who needs the event details. In the email body, add your message first. You can write a short introduction, explain what the event is, and include any extra instructions people should know before they open the calendar link. Then paste the calendar link right into the email. You can place it on its own line so it stands out clearly and is easy to click. If you want, you can also add a friendly call to action like, click the link below to add this event to your calendar. That helps make the email more clear and more useful. Once everything looks good, double check the message and make sure the link is pasted correctly. Then simply send the email. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an add to calendar link in Gmail. This is a fast and professional way to share events and make sure people can save them instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick tech walkthroughs like this one.